In front of me is Realme C61 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. Then hit Agree. Tap on Allow. And before starting recording, use this gear on the left. Then manage all of those options however you want to and go back. Now to start recording, use red button at the bottom in the middle. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To add a bookmark, unpause it and click on the left one. To end it and save it though, on the right one. Now to access your recording, make sure that recording is off and click on this icon on the right with 3 lines. Play your recording by clicking on it. And if you want to, you can also hold it and click on those 3 dots at the top right corner to rename it. When you finished, hit save and go back. If you wish to delete it, hold it again and this time use bin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!